How we doing, everyone? Today is Monday, July the 31st, 2023. Just doing a real estate tap in for today. So really quickly, two things caught my eye. As of last week, Thursday, they made an announcement with HUD that they are putting out some programs to help with the housing shortage. So I'm kind of still going through the information. So I'm going to do probably a separate video on my YouTube channel in regards to some of the things that they're doing, some of the opportunities. But if you know anybody that has a nonprofit that deals with real estate, they want to look into these HUD programs. They are trying to do a number of different things to help people who are renters to be able to rent some affordable housing, as well as building multifamily and single family properties as well. So like I said, I'll do a separate video on that once I go through the information and have more detail. The other thing was that JP Morgan just bought about $2 billion worth of mortgages from one of the failing banks. We're probably going to see more of this. And this is kind of some of the opportunity that I've been talking about with real estate notes. When they buy, you see a big purchase like this of a bank's assets, there's going to be a certain portion of that they don't want. There's going to be some stuff in there, obviously, they're going to keep, put in their portfolio and add to what they do. But there's going to be a certain portion of it, whether it be 10%, 15%, 20% of the entire purchase that they purchase that they're not going to want to deal with. It just doesn't make sense for them to deal with it. So what happens is that they sell that off to note investment companies, private equity firms, people who have larger sums of money. So then they'll sell them off to them, and then they'll do the same thing. Those companies will keep some of that, but then there'll be some things that they don't want. And that's how it kind of gets down to our level, where you can take advantage of some of those opportunities when it comes to purchasing the notes, whether they be performing, non-performing, reperforming. We'll have to see what comes down, but I'm anticipating more of it being non-performing, or things that started to reperform after the pandemic. So we'll have to see, but you're probably going to see more situations like this as the banks, some of these smaller banks that are having these issues because of the commercial crisis that's going on right now and the other issues in the market. You're going to see some of these bigger banks buying some of these mid-size and smaller banks, and then putting out some of those opportunities when it comes to notes and single family properties and things like that. Probably commercial as well. You probably see that as well. So the opportunity is here to look at real estate note opportunities. If you are in real estate and looking for opportunities, this may be something that you should look into, start to learn about, get an understanding of it. You can go to the Abundant Capital Group YouTube page. There are several videos there, and we'll continue to monitor it and put out content in regards to this. But there is an opportunity, so let's try to take advantage of it, especially those people. Even if you don't think that you have a lot of money to invest, let's have a conversation. Let's see what we can do with what you have. Maybe we can put it together, pool it together with other resources, and get your money working for you. So if you're interested, just reach out. You can respond to this video, leave a comment, and we can have a conversation. Other than that, 12:30 today, we'll be doing our real estate lunch talk, going into a little bit more detail about these topics and what's going on in the market. Also, this past weekend on Saturday, did the 5th installment of our real estate note training. You can check out the first 5 parts of it that we did. We broke it down, about 30 minutes long each episode, and just taking it step by step to give people an understanding of real estate notes and note investing. So you can go to the YouTube channel and check that out there as well. But if you have any questions, I'll be available at 12:30 today. We're usually on there, 20 minutes, a half hour, something like that. If you have any questions, let us know, and we'll get those answered. Also be talking about just real estate related information. So if you can, come check us out. All right, talk to you soon. Have a good one.